Hey everybody, welcome back to my little channel. Today we're going, you saw the thumbnail, we're going to make this Harbor Freight table even better. Had a video where I put this wheel chock on it, took that old crappy one off that came on it, and it's got to go. There's a few reasons why, but we're going to put this one on it, right here. I didn't even know this existed. See what says Pittsburgh? So you know where it came from. That's right. Harbor Freight for Harbor Freight. Now stay tuned. My name's David. This is Blinker Fluid Garage. Okay, so here's the deal. Here's why I'm changing this. A couple of reasons. Number one, can't get a front tire off. You just can't do it. You can't get it out the front. You can't get a front tire off with the bike that's sitting up on this table. The second reason is when this table is lowered, when you lower it, when it goes down, it moves forward. Okay, it goes out here, which turns this. See how far it sticks out from the edge of the table? Turns this into a shin buster. I have the marks to prove it. And plus, I've got a trailer I'm going to put this on that I'm going to tow motorcycles with. So I need a wheel chock on it. That's what that's going to be used for. We're going to put that one on it. So, let's get that one off. Is that the right way? Nope. All right, out of the way. Okay, the way you put this thing on, although the way you install it, is they give you these two little templates here, and what you do is line them up. The holes that are already punched in the paper here, you line them up in the existing holes, the ones that were on here. I think for that other wheel chock that came on this table, that came from Harbor Freight, that old crappy thing that was on it. So you line those up. You line this up with those holes right there. And you drill these. Now, there's 8 of these holes right here. There's only 6 on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So based on the way this one is set up, see, there's the 3 holes right there. And you see there's 8 places you can drill here. But this only has 4 holes. So based on that, I think it's going to be those 3 and these 4 right there. Like that. Looks like a winner to me. And then this one bolts on here. Like that. And it's lined up. So that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna do it that way. Well, that wasn't supposed to work like that, but it did. All right, I need to. All right, now screw it. We're gonna try it like that. I am putting headphones on or ear protection because this is loud drilling that table. We're gonna see how much this drill bit walks on us. 1/2 inch. Yeah, it goes. All right. Just as expected. All right, center punch these things. There's a beam going right down the middle of this thing. All right, it misses that one. All right, it misses that one. All right, cool. Drill this thing. Can't see them all. There it is. Ah. All right, change bits. We're gonna do pilot hole. Tried to do a shortcut, didn't work. All right. All right. I'm going to deburr those just a little bit. Not that it really matters too much. All right, let me clean this mess up. All right, let's see if I got these holes in the right place. Get it all cleaned up. That looks good. There we go. All right, that will fall. I'm going to lay it down. Put this one together. These are 17s. All right, let's crank them down. Oh. It would help to put a battery in it. All right, I can't get to this one because there's a bar that goes across here. It's about that far, I can't get that in there. So, there we go. Yeah, that's tight. Right there. And 4 right there. All right. Need my eyes. What to do with them? This is a little bit Let's see, I need to prop that up. Just to raise it just a smidge. I don't know what I have. Oh, got it. Burn up clutches. That's 2 high. 2 steels. That'll do it. All right, come here, clutches. All right, one last little step. That's what makes this cool. There we go. There it is. Done. So much better. So much better. There we go. Done. And the cool thing about this is obviously it's just better all around. Pull this pin, pull that out, there you go. You can roll your front tire straight out through here. There we go, done, duded, done. All right, got more stuff coming, so y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching. How about that like and subscribe? I would appreciate it. It's free. See you next time. Peace.